You do not have an English problem. You have a training problem. For years, you were told that fluency comes from grammar books, vocabulary lists, and endless studying. So, you studied harder, watched more lessons, and memorized more rules. Yet the moment someone speaks to you in English, your confidence disappears. Your mind freezes, your sentences break, and you suddenly feel like you know nothing. Here is the shocking truth. Schools trained you to pass English exams, not to speak English naturally. That is why millions of learners understand English but still cannot use it confidently in real conversations. Most people treat English like a subject they need to study instead of a skill they need to live. And this single mindset keeps them stuck for years. They spend hours learning grammar rules, translating every sentence into their native language, and trying to speak perfectly before opening their mouth. But real conversations do not work like exams. Fluency is not created by collecting knowledge. Fluency is created by repeated exposure, daily usage, listening, speaking, and thinking naturally in English. That is why some people improve rapidly even with average grammar knowledge, while others stay stuck despite years of studying. In this video, you will learn why traditional learning methods slow your progress, how immersion changes your brain, and the exact daily system that helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. Why school-style learning slows fluency growth? Most learners spend years studying English but still struggle to speak confidently. The reason is simple. Schools teach English like an academic subject instead of a communication skill. You are trained to memorize grammar rules, learn vocabulary lists, complete exercises, and prepare for exams. This system may help you score marks, but it does not prepare your brain for real conversations. When you learn English academically, your brain becomes addicted to perfection. Before speaking, you start checking grammar rules in your head. You mentally translate from your native language into English and try to create perfect sentences. This slows your thinking and creates hesitation during conversations. Meanwhile, fluent speakers respond naturally because they train their brains through usage, not constant analysis. Another major issue is that school-style learning disconnects English from real life. You memorize words without emotions, situations, or experiences attached to them. As a result, your brain stores information temporarily instead of deeply absorbing it. That is why many learners can understand words while reading or watching videos but forget those same words while speaking. Recognition is passive. Usage is active. And fluency only develops through active usage. Traditional learning also creates fear of mistakes. Many learners become afraid of speaking because they think every sentence must be grammatically perfect. But real communication is not about perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes while talking quickly. Fluency is about expressing ideas naturally and confidently without freezing. The moment you stop treating English like a school subject and start treating it like a daily life skill, your entire learning process changes. That is when real fluency finally begins. Difference between learning English and using English. There is a huge difference between learning English and actually using English, and most learners never realize it. They spend years consuming lessons, grammar explanations, and vocabulary videos, believing that more knowledge will automatically make them fluent. But fluency does not come from information alone. It comes from repeated real-world usage. Think about driving a car. You can watch hundreds of driving tutorials and understand every rule perfectly, But until you sit in the driver's seat and practice regularly, you will never feel confident on road. English works exactly the same way. Watching lessons may increase knowledge, but speaking ability only develops when you actively use the language. Many learners stay trapped in learning mode forever. They keep preparing themselves to speak someday in the future. They wait until their grammar becomes perfect, their vocabulary becomes advanced, or their confidence magically appears. But confidence is not built before speaking. Confidence is built through speaking. Using English means interacting with the language daily in natural ways. It means thinking in English while doing small activities, speaking out loud even when alone, reacting to videos in English, and expressing your thoughts without translating every sentence from your native language. This trains your brain to respond faster and more naturally. Another important difference is emotional connection. When you use English in real situations, your brain creates stronger memory links. Words become easier to remember because they are connected to experiences, emotions, and actions instead of just textbook definitions. That is why immersion works so powerfully. Fluent speakers are not people who know every grammar rule. They are people who use English so often that the language becomes automatic. The goal is not to become a perfect English student. The goal is to become a natural English user. And once you understand this difference, your fluency journey becomes much faster and far more enjoyable. How immersion works even at home. Many people believe they can only become fluent if they move abroad or live around native English speakers. But that is completely false. Today, your phone, laptop, and daily environment can become a powerful English immersion system if you use them correctly. Immersion simply means surrounding your brain with English so consistently that it starts becoming natural. When children learn a language, they do not begin with grammar books. They learn through constant exposure. They hear the language daily, connect words with actions and emotions, and slowly start using it automatically. Your brain still learns the same way. The problem is that most learners interact with English only during study time. For the rest of the day, they completely disconnect from the language. This forces the brain to restart every single time, slowing fluency growth dramatically. Real improvement happens when English becomes part of your lifestyle instead of just a subject you study for 1 hour. You can create immersion at home in very simple ways. Start listening to English while cooking, walking, or relaxing. Watch content you genuinely enjoy instead of forcing yourself to watch boring lessons. Speak your thoughts in English during daily activities. Describe what you are doing, react to videos out loud, and practice simple conversations with yourself naturally. Another powerful method is reducing dependence on your native language. Stop translating every sentence mentally. Instead, connect English words directly with ideas, visuals, emotions, and situations. This helps your brain think faster and respond more naturally during conversations. Immersion does not require perfection. Even small daily exposure creates powerful long-term results. 15 minutes of real usage every day is far more effective than studying grammar for hours without interaction. The more your brain experiences English naturally, the less foreign the language feels. And eventually, speaking English starts feeling automatic instead of stressful. A daily fluency-focused routine for faster progress. If you truly want to speak English confidently, you do not need a complicated study plan. You need a daily system that trains your brain to use English consistently. Small daily actions repeated over time create far greater results than studying intensely once in a while. Consistency builds fluency. Start your day with listening. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes listening to simple English content that matches your level and interests. It could be podcasts, interviews, short videos, or conversations. Do not focus on understanding every single word. Focus on training your ears to become comfortable with natural English sounds and sentence patterns. Next, practice thinking in English during normal daily activities. While walking, eating, or working, describe your surroundings and thoughts in simple English sentences. This reduces your dependence on translating from your native language and trains your brain to respond faster naturally. Then include speaking practice every single day, even if you are alone. Speak out loud about your day, repeat useful phrases from videos, or explain simple topics in your own words. Speaking regularly builds confidence because fluency is a physical skill, not just mental knowledge. Your mouth and brain need training together. Reading and shadowing can also improve fluency rapidly. Read short English articles or subtitles aloud while copying pronunciation, rhythm, and speaking speed. This helps you sound more natural and improves sentence flow automatically over time. Most importantly, stop measuring progress daily. Language growth is gradual. Some days will feel easy, while others may feel frustrating. That is completely normal. The learners who become fluent are not always the smartest. They are simply the ones who continue using English consistently without quitting. The moment English becomes part of your everyday life instead of just another school subject, fluency stops feeling impossible and starts becoming inevitable. The biggest change in your English journey will happen when you stop asking, "How much English did I study today?" and start asking, "How much English did I actually use today?" That single mindset shift can completely transform your fluency. You do not need perfect grammar, advanced vocabulary, or endless courses to become confident in English. You need consistent exposure, daily usage, and the courage to communicate without fearing mistakes. Remember, fluency is not built in classrooms alone. It is built in everyday moments, small conversations, repeated practice, and real experiences. The more naturally English becomes part of your life, the more naturally your confidence will grow. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.